What's up, Horsepower Hills? Welcome to another video. I'm Ryan and we're at a night meet right now. We're at the WRX parked. It took us like literally almost an hour just to get parked. But there's some crazy cars in the back and let's go check it out. It's probably gonna get super rowdy and loud later with all the sends and everything. So let's not get kicked out, but let's go. This is actually insane. There's so many people here. All black Lamborghini Revuelto as well.
Lip is scraped up.
Yeah, guys, we saw this in DC the other day and he like absolutely destroyed his front lip on a little bump in the city. I guess it's good. It's probably underneath. Yeah. This is really cool though.
Recognize this.
There's another black Revuelto. There's two of them. You can see the other one down there. It's pretty nice. It's a nice wide body Urus. What up, Mike? Yo. What up?
Carbon fiber.
This is so nice, yeah. Bro, this truck literally has a glitter on it. The rims are kind of sick, but I don't know what's going on with the paint. Damn, bro. Everyone thought he was gonna rev it. Bro, the paint on this is sick. It like changes. It's a flat gray. That's insane. Yo, it's like greenish, but it's actually like, and then just turned a little pink and gray. That's insane. All right, guys. So that GT3 RS out there, the guy's 36 years old. He looks like he's like 20. Purple AMG GT. With a ton of aftermarket parts. That's crazy. You can see the engine from the hood. Custom wrap. Carbon fiber everywhere. EAG Motorsports is their modding company. Bro, they just got this biker. Two cops are oh my gosh. And that BMW is getting pulled over. This is absolutely crazy. Oh, there's a GT3 RS. Oh, the Corvette, yep. Oh my gosh. Bro, another car just got pulled over. This is absolutely mayhem. Like, there's 3 pullovers right there. It's hard to see. And then this guy, and then one all the way down there. Yeah, that's sweet. This cop is turning around. He's about to get someone. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Who's he getting? And we got another one. BMW M4, it looks like. Yep. Oh, something is happening down there. What the heck?
What is going on? Where are they getting?
Oh my gosh, there's another one. What is going on? Whoa, what? Oh my gosh. They just drifted! Oh, this guy just drifted! He just drifted out.
He did?
Yes! Fully sideways!
Run, people, run!
Guys, so it's like getting shut down and everyone is just ripping back and forth. I don't know what's going on. I think we're about to head out now. Yo,
like hide the camera.
No, you just Bro, what? He's definitely running.
Okay, vlog. Ooh, we just got back home.
From the car show.
Yeah.
And that was the most intense, craziest show. All those cops. That was insane. And we literally saw that one guy got put in handcuffs at the end. Like, what the heck, man?
That was
I've
cray
never seen
cray.
it. But we're very tired. We're gonna go to bed now. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to stick around for the next vlog. I'll see you all later.